Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple zombie bunny using Easter bunny plush and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room and then I'm going to equip the Easter bunny plush. Okay, this one, and then I'm going to color it green. I'm gonna go to the palette and then I'm going to use this green color. Okay, and then for the ears, tummy, and food pads, I'm going to color it red. Okay, and for the strawberry, I'm going to color it red as well, but I'm going to change the texture to leather. Okay, and then for the leaf, I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, and let's move to the next part, the bonnet. I'm going to make it black. Okay, and for the bow tie, I'm going to make it black as well, and red for the eyes, and then I'm going to make it neon. Okay, and then for nose, I'm just going to use green. Okay, and we're going to move to the next location. We're going to use an ice cream. So I'm going to go to this area and then equip this ice cream. Okay, and then I'm going to color the first part red. And then for the second part, I'm going to color it black. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a simple zombie bunny using the Easter bunny plush and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!